My name is Chuck Smith. I'm with Catalyst Fabric Solutions. I'm the owner of the company. We've been in business since 2016, and we do tablecloths, placemats, bean bags, backpacks, lunch totes, blankets, pillows. A plethora of products. The on-demand business has tripled in the last 4 years, and it continues to grow at a great rate.
Most of our items, if we just did a pillow or a blanket, everything originates online. So our customers have a portal, choose what art files they want to load, and that gets sent to our print room through our server. And that image is ripped and cut. It gets put on a large roll, and it gets taken down to what we call our heat transfer department. And what happens with the dye sublimation, we have heat transfer machines that heat up the ink, and that sublimates onto the fabric that we're translating. Anything that has to be custom sewed after heat transfer will go in our sewing floor, and it's off the shipping. So we have to have machines that can hold up to the versatility of different raw materials, but have the same quality day in, day out.
We saw even with COVID-19 how our business increased, and a lot of people are searching for internet on-demand business. We needed more technology, we needed more printers, we needed just about more of everything. I knew several people from Epson. We were asked a lot of questions about what we needed in a printer. You had a new printer, I ought to check it out. Looked into that printer, and it was everything we wanted. It was affordable, it was heavy duty, and we bought some, and it's turned out to be that way.
The Epson room. We always say the slogan that we live and die by the print room. We have to make sure we have the best color quality and consistency out of the print room. Last December, we were able to install 8 SureColor F10070s within 2 weeks. One of the best things I love, they're very low, they're sleek, they don't have a big profile. Because of the capacity we saw right away with those printers, we were able to take all our blankets that we would put on maybe 30 other printers that were taking about 4 times longer to print onto the Epsons, and they were doing them in less than a minute.
The speed, the color is always on. The ink lasts 2 weeks at a time. We come in the morning, do a simple head cleaning, and we start our day. They come up, it's very user-friendly. Just basically read the screen. If you can run a telephone, then you can run an Epson.
The fact that I can train someone in probably half a day versus, weeks or months on the other printers makes my job real easy. I think a lot of things that we told Epson was exactly what we needed, and they put it in this new F10070. There's really nothing I haven't put on it yet. It's kind of the workhorse right now for the plant. Honestly, then I asked myself, what do I need the other printers for?
Technology has changed tremendously since I started in the dye sub business, especially printer-wise. You were lucky to get 100 yards in one day. Now we're getting 100 yards in an hour. It's really changed the atmosphere.
We have such a good partnership with Epson. We understand they're here for the long haul. They want to make this work. For me, from an operations manager, that's key. Award-winning support all around.